Use the dive case for your dual-lens 360 camera. First, remove the core's lock cover. And store it in the vertical battery base. Next, assemble the parts and press them firmly together until they are well connected.
Please lock the touchscreen to avoid accidental presses.
Once assembled, you can open the dive case by pulling down the buckle to unlock it. Now, just place your 1R in the case and make sure to keep the buttons aligned. Here, you have two anti-fog inserts. First, place the longer one in the dive case. Now, place the other anti-fog inserts into the bottom of the dive case. Once the inserts are placed correctly, close the dive case and lock it using the buckle.
After locking the touchscreen, tap the power button to change modes. And tap the shutter button to start or stop shooting.